Good afternoon. Nice day here in Alabama today, April the 5th. It's overcast, but it's very mild, low 70s. Nice. I'll take these all day long. I thought I'd take this opportunity to update you on our travel plans and my recent surgery. Kind of a good news, bad news thing. Start with the bad news. I'd like to get that out of the way first. The bad news is I've had some bad few weeks here, in fact 5 weeks. As it mentioned in the other videos, the first couple weeks after the surgery went great. I was out walking and exercising. I think I overdid it. Got some sore muscles, tried to work through it. I think I just made them sore. Got to remember I'm not 30 years old anymore. To relieve that, was going in the hot tub 2-3 times a day. Came down with the hot tubitis, the skin rash, and I think that added to my misery. Originally thought it was just prickly heat, so I didn't even pay any attention to it. Just put some aloe vera gel on it for about a week, and it didn't go away, and I was just miserable. So finally called up the doctor and went and saw the doctor, and he prescribed some antibiotics and also gave me a steroid shot, which worked great for a couple of days. Took the antibiotics and ran the course of them for several days and was feeling better. Thought, okay, we're on. But then the rash started coming back, started feeling miserable again, achy, all my muscles below my belly, just aching and throbbing, and I was taking the Aleve and like candy, and then you know what that does to you. That kind of bound me up, so that was just added to the misery. So anyway, I got on the steroids and I'm back on them now, and I'm starting to feel better, and it's a good thing too because we got the cruise coming up. But we had to cancel our Florida trip. Didn't get to go to Florida. I'm sitting in the travel trailer, but unfortunately it's in the driveway. It's not in Florida. So that one got canceled. Charmaine went to Michigan. She flew up to Michigan. I couldn't go with her. I stayed here. But I'm looking forward to this. Really looking forward to this Serenade cruise. We're flying down to Fort Lauderdale. Where originally we were going to drive, but thought I don't want to do that 2-day drive bouncing around. So I got up off my wallet and we're flying down to Fort Lauderdale. We're catching the Serenade. We're on April the 26th, I believe. 6 days at sea, which I'm going to appreciate. Then we're in Ponta Delgada, one of my favorite places, and off to Cork, Ireland. Never been there before, so this should be a treat. Le Havre, France, Belgium, Netherlands, and then Copenhagen. We're doing that trip with Mike and Janet from England, so that'll be a good time. And we're staying on the ship and doing the Baltic rotation up to St. Petersburg, Helsinki, Stockholm, and Tallinn. So that should be I'm really looking forward to this cruise, and we're flying home from Copenhagen. So and we're doing the second leg with Mark and Elisa. So again, we're going to have a good time. June, we're off to Utah in the RV. Want to see Mesa Verde, which of course is in Colorado, but then we're off to the Valley of the Gods, Moab to see Arches and Canyonlands and Dead Horse State Park, and then over to Bryce Canyon and Zion, and then down to the Grand Canyon, both the North and the South Rim. And then we're traveling home. So if we can get all that done, we're doing okay. So we're going to have a great summer. I'm glad I'm back on track here. Got an appointment with the doctor to make sure everything's going well, and have a stash of antibiotics or whatever in case I need it for while on the cruise. I want to thank everybody for all their well wishes and good thoughts. Especially David and Sarah from Down Under. They've been a hoot. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks. So stay tuned. We're hopefully back in the groove again, and it should be a good year. Oh, we added another cruise in November. We're going to be on the Harmony of the Seas out of Cape Canaveral. 7 days. The itinerary is not the greatest, but I just want to see the Harmony. It's supposed to be a spectacular ship, and at least we can say we've been there, done that. So stay tuned. I think we're going to have a great year. I'm doing my best to stay in shape. And oh, the other good news, I almost forgot the great news. While I was at the doctor, he did my PSA 0.00. Doesn't get any better. So if that remains the same for the rest of the year, I'm good. I'm cancer free. Tickled to death. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a great year. Thanks for watching.